Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now we are going to explore Antong Falls. It is on the way to Baguio. For this falls from the main road you need to go 8 kilometers outside. Still I had to go 6.5 kilometers. Unfortunately today climate very cloudy. Almost here. Checkpoint. Here. Hello po. So for registration over here, you need to pay 30 pesos. So in my map still saying 1.2 kilometer. After the bridge, you need to stop here, you register yourself. They will give you this kind of paper first for 30 pesos. You need to give this paper to the guard over there. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. So right now it's 7:30. We are here at the parking area of the Antong Falls. Parking rates. From here, you need to go for a walk. As you can see, we have a food court also available. You can buy some local food street. Wow. If you want some water, you can buy some water, food, everything over here available. Even ice cream. Beautiful. There's a name board. So it is a paid comfort room. Wow. Look. The water was so clean. Crystal clear. Beautiful. Wow. I don't know I can fly my drone over here or not. This place looks very thick. If it is very thick, very hard to fly a drone. At the same time, any movement can drain over here. Look at the situation. Beautiful. Look at it. Look at that. Nice. Nice trail over here. I'm happy. At least not raining yet. Slight hiking. Second hanging bridge. It was very steady. Seriously steady. Look at it. The water was crystal clear. Very crystal clear. I'm really happy there's enough water was there. Sometimes you go to the waterfalls, there is not enough water. So only the falls. But not this time. I'm really very happy about it. Inspection area. I didn't see anybody. So it says no jumping. No jumping in the falls. So there's a lot of rules and regulations over here. Have a look. Okay. Here also you have a CR available. This side. Here. Okay, thank you.
You have a number, sir?
They gave me this. Their paper. This is what you asked me for it. This one. Okay, good. So you have to give the paper to the guard over here. Okay. Wow. We are already here. We need to be very careful. Wow. Look at it. Beautiful. Whoa. Beautiful place. Let's go on top. I don't know what's going on over here. So many compartments for this falls. You have enough space for a lot of people. There's a lot of up and downs over here. You can explore. No one is here. You can always find a way. What? The water. I left my bag over there. Beautiful place. Here you can fly the drone. Look at that. Yeah, you can fly the drone here. Okay. Okay. Come here, come here. Go. Okay, wait. almost got the blood over there. Good. See how deep I had to go down. Look at that. Look, we have boys over here. Yeah.
Hey guys.
So they are the one helped me to go over there. We took a lot of drone shots. Fantastic. So now it's like 9:22. I have to leave from here. I'm going to Bridal Whale Falls. So you can see me over there. So if you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. I'll see you guys next video soon. Bye. Mwah.